Hello everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Proton VPN not connecting. First, check your internet connection. Turn it off, wait a few seconds, and then turn it back on to refresh the network. Now make sure you are connected to a strong and stable internet connection because weak internet can stop Proton VPN from connecting properly. Next, open the Run dialog on your computer and type %temp% and press enter. Now select all files in that folder and delete them to clear temporary system files. Then go back and open Run again, type temp, and press enter. Again, delete all the files inside this folder to remove extra cache data. Now go back to your desktop and open the recycle bin. Delete all files there as well to fully clear unnecessary system junk. Next, open Google Chrome. Click on the three dots from the top right corner. Then click on Settings. Now go to Privacy and Security from the left side menu. Click on Delete Browsing Data. Select the time range. Then check the boxes for browsing history, cookies, and other site data and click Delete Data. Once everything is cleared, restart your computer. After restarting, open Proton VPN again and try connecting to a different server. In many cases, this refreshes the connection and fixes the issue. That's it, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.